Hello and welcome to the video tutorial searching the library catalog on the OneSearch platform. Often when using the OneSearch platform, the number of results can be quite large. An option to help narrow your results is to use the library catalog filter. You can find this option in the drop-down menu to the right of the search bar. If you want to continue with your current search, select this filter and then click the magnifying glass to refresh the search. The results will now display only the items that are part of our local library catalog collection and will initially include both physical and electronic resources. If you are looking specifically for a physical copy that can be found on our shelves, you will want to further limit your search to only the items that are available in print. This filter can be found to the left of the screen under the Refine My Results section. When you have located a title of interest, write down or take a picture of the call number, which can be found here at the bottom of the brief record or here under the section Location Items. Match the call number to the white label found on the binding of the book. If you need help navigating the stacks, be sure to ask a librarian for assistance. Should you be interested in viewing our electronic material, you can also refine by selecting Available Online. Ebooks can be accessed from any device by clicking the green Available Online link and then click the database link located in the View Online section of the full record. If you are off campus, you may be directed to log in through the VCCCD portal. Once you are in the database, look for either an EPUB, PDF, or HTML logo, usually to the left of the page, to open and view the book. Thanks for watching, and please don't hesitate to ask a librarian should you have any questions.